Good morning, third graders. Today for art, we're going to make something called Cursive Monsters. So this will allow us to practice our cursive skills. I know we've gotten through almost all of the letters. If you need a little help, ask a parent or an older brother and sister to maybe help you. The first thing that you'll need to get would be a piece of computer paper and some crayons and probably a pencil. So if you want to gather those things, you can press pause and then come back to this video. The first thing that you need to do with your computer paper is fold it in half this long way. So I'm going to do that right now. And you want to make a nice crease. And when you open that up, we're going to write our first names on that line that we folded. So you won't have anything on the bottom of half of your paper, and you might be able to see it's kind of faint. I did it in pencil to start with. And then you'll need to get a dark colored crayon. Black is great, but if you have a navy or a purple would work too. After you've written your name in pencil, you're going to want to trace it kind of darkly with your crayon. So this is what mine looks like so far. I'm going to hold it up so you can see both ends. My name is only on half of the paper, and I kind of rested it on that crease mark, right? So I'm going to fold it, and for this step, you'll have to press pretty hard. The crayon is going to rub off onto the other side of your paper. So go ahead and work on that now. Use your fingertips, give it a good rub. I had to go over mine a couple of times, and I rubbed with my fingertips. I also used a marker to kind of roll over it, just using the outside of it for the pressure. And the idea is to transfer some of that crayon wax onto the other side of your paper so that you'll have an exact image next to it. It'll be symmetrical when you open it. So mine looks like this so far. And it's pretty faint, but I can see the outlines of my cursive letters on the other side of my paper. So now I'm going to take my black crayon and trace over those lines that the crayon resist left behind. Here's what my name looks like on the other side now. So here's my first name, and this is the exact image of it that I traced over carefully with my crayon. So now comes the fun part. You get to decide which way you would like your cursive monster to go. You could make it go this way. Maybe I would look at these top letter S's and turn those into some horns or ears, or you can turn it over and maybe the end of your name would become the head of your critter or monster, and maybe these would be the feet. So take some time to color it in and design it. I'm going to show you mine, and then you can get busy on making yours. Here's what I have so far. I decided to go with my name on the upside down way, and I wanted to use the letter A to make the eyes. I drew some antennas, a nose, and a mouth, and I'm going to do the first letter of my name, which is S, and I turned those into some feet. One thing that I was trying to do is make it symmetrical. Remember, symmetrical is the same on both sides if you fold it. So work on your design. I'm going to work on mine a little bit more and show you my finished product. So this is what mine is looking like so far. I may add some more details to it and some more color. I added some wings. I colored in some of these shapes, the same on both sides. You can get as creative as you want to with these. You can try other names. You could do your last name or a sibling's name or your parent's name. So I hope you have fun with this project. Take care.